Welcome to Perris, California, strategically located at the intersection of Interstate 215 and Highway 74. Perris is a great location to invest because the population is increasing, the number of people employed is increasing, the personal income is increasing, and the poverty rate is decreasing. Behind me is 2.15 acres of general industrial zoned land, which is one of the most attractive zonings here in Perris, allowing for heavy manufacturing. And we're down the street from some major projects like 171 acres for the Perris Logistic Center, 2.3 million acres of warehouse space up the road, and 1,500 new homes down the street. So the population is increasing, the investment in the community is increasing, and the opportunity is great here. If you have any questions or would like us to help you with any research, please feel free to reach out. We would love to help you.